What is going on, guys? So in today's video we are going to be doing a product installation slash initial review of this not 3M but protective film for the interior portion of our Sienna. Now, I was doing some research and a company called Sreen Protech offers this type of product, but this is not from Sreen Protech. Sreen Protech offers their product at around 60 bucks, I believe. I found this on AliExpress for around $15 pre-shipping. So I really want to test this out. Here's the packaging itself. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. It's very funny. It doesn't even spell interior protective film correctly, right? It's interesting, right? But we're gonna do a quick unboxing and see how what's included. All right, here it is. We have a mini squeegee. Have a little bit of the product here. Supposedly it's gonna protect the cluster, protect the shift, the console, the gear knob, and some microfiber. And that's about it, right? I think I see something blue in here. Oh. All right, so microfiber, and that's about it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this started. Let's see how it installs and the quality of it. All right, guys, so after everything's all said and done, this is the products that I have left over. I am probably not going to be using, can't even get a nice look at this, but I'm not going to be using this portion right here. So this is the leftover material. Again, I'm trying to get a good look, but everything's so translucent. Basically, it is the protection film, again, for the satin gray or satin whatever this portion is called, the faux wood mimic, right? So I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to use this portion right here. This right here, which I thought was for the screen protector, and which I don't really need, it ended up being too big for this one. So it was actually for this portion right here. I'm not going to go ahead and put anything over here. It's just going to create a whole different glossy look. It's going to make this look awful. So what I'm going to do is just not use it. So here it is. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. Here is just the initial right after the install, and you can see a lot of air bubbles. But my theory is, as based on previous like ZAG products and Visible Shield products, on the phone screens, smartphone screens, these air bubbles are going to be releasing within time. Especially with the heat inside, it's going to go ahead and clear everything up. As you can see from here, I have some over here. I have some air bubbles, well, a lot of air bubbles here that I believe is going to go ahead and take or release over time. And I have another film right here that's going to be releasing over time, but this one is pretty good. So what we do is I'm going to just stop this video, resume it next time, maybe a few days from now, and see what the aftermath is or how it looks. All right, guys, so here we are a week out, and here it is. Here's how it looks. The product had about a week to dry, and so far, excuse the noise, so far here it is. Here how it's looking. Fitment is pretty good. I mean, I'm not sure how it is compared to the premium brand because I never had the premium brand, but this is 15 versus 60. And you have a little bit of exposed gloss back on the side, exposed trim here. But I'm going to use a microfiber to clean off all the fingerprints. And along the shifter, you see a little bit of one leftover air bubble right here that if you kind of press on it, it kind of speeds up the evaporation process. Again, this is reminiscent of the Zag products. I had invisible shields for all the smart phone products, the BlackBerry days. And once you heat this up, wait a couple weeks, these air bubbles actually disappear. So I think this might be a breathable material, porous. So eventually all this is gonna go ahead and disappear, especially with the heat. So far, again, 1 week in, and this is what we have. Again, fit and finish over here around the shifter points. Right here is exposed glossy black trim. Same story here. And right above here is a pretty good fitment. It's not the best fitment to exact like edge to edge, but I'm pretty happy with it. This will prevent this part from getting scratched up, and especially this part where the contact points are. Especially with this, you know, yes, it's going to give me a good peace of mind. Along with this, I decided to leave the satin grain portion of the console free of this material. It's going to just create a glossy, shiny look that I'm not looking for in the minivan. Again, it had a portion for this part to protect this one, but I'm going to leave it alone. It did not come with a screen protector. I thought it would, but I'm fine with that because I have a matte black or anti-glare screen protector that works just fine. And overall, that's it. All right, if you guys are interested in this product, I'll definitely leave it in the description down below. Also, I'll leave the Skin Protech, the premium brand, along with the link as well. So on that note, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.